Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 8th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the day started out great today, um, and then got a little less great as we moved along. The Dow actually lost 14 points today. It looks like it's kind of consolidating at these higher levels. Uh, it kind of rallied at the end of the day in spite of being down. I'm going to call up uh, again tomorrow, even though I was wrong today. Looks pretty strong there, and I think it's going to take a run at these highs that it established actually today. It started out positive and then sold off, then came back. Uh, but I think it's still pretty strong, and I am expecting to see 19,000 pretty soon. Actually, what happened today is we had you remember from Friday we had this big run up, very nice run in the Dow, and for inexplicably we had got into a bunch of trades down here, and we ended up losing some $20,000 on those trades, which was kind of nasty and hard to explain given this big run up. We got into a bunch of new stuff. We're holding a positive $11,000 on the close on Friday. We closed that out this morning very nicely, closing out with almost $15,000 in closed out profit. So that part was real good. What wasn't real good was we got into 18 new positions, a lot of them when the Dow was up here, and then of course it fades, and so we are holding negative $7,000 going into tomorrow. And of course, you know what I'm thinking of is, hey, down here we got into a bunch of stuff. We're holding negative $5,000. That goes to negative $20,000 on this run up. And so I am not real happy about being into 18 positions, 6 positive and 12 negative, and carrying negative $7,000 going into tomorrow. But maybe the way the markets are, it may reverse that pattern, and we may get out positive tomorrow. Who knows? We'll have to see. Anyway, I am calling the Dow up for tomorrow. And any day that you close out $15,000 is not a bad day. Hey, we still made money today, and let's just hope that these negative positions that we're holding overnight will at least not get any worse. We had, I'll show you, I mean, this is just one, one stock that kind of shows you the problems we had today. This is DNR, Danbury Natural Resources, I believe, and we had got into this right away, and when it got up here, we were up $2,000 on this thing. I think I took a snapshot of it when it was up here. It looked real good, and then it just faded all day, and it ended up, we're down about $1,000 here. So we basically see a $3,000 slide here, and this is what dragged down our open trade. At one time, I think our open trade, I think it was over $12,000 positive at one time. We just lost it all, and it went to negative. So not so good there, but we did have some good trades. I'll just show you a couple of them, because anytime you close out positive $15,000, it's you got to have some good trades. This was on Friday. This is Sempra. We bought this the second hour. We got out very nicely there, pretty much at the top, and took out $2.6 thousand out of Sempra. And then, of course, I think I did show you this Friday, but this is how we came out on PTCT. That's PTC Therapeutics. We had bought this on Friday right out of the gate. It had a nice rally. We got out, maybe not perfectly. Well, I mean, it was pretty close to the high for today. And we took nearly $9,000 positive out of PTC Therapeutics. And of course, this single stock kind of made it for us today. And that's the way it works. You know, we trade a lot to get that one or two really good ones, and this was our really good one for the day. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.